again. Round of applause. Thank you for coming back. So today's video is gonna be on the, you know what? Real quick, I wasn't gonna wear this dress for this video, but I wore it because it's summertime. You know, it's a hot girl summer. Since Miami wanna do what she wanna do, since she wanna be grown, okay? So I was like, let me just put it on for the video because it just screams summer. You know, the lime green, the yellow is in. Sorry, my nails aren't done. Thursday. Clickety clack. The bed is back, okay? But anywho, so today's video is gonna be on the new Boxy Luxe that has came out for June, and I'm super excited about it. I'm just, this is my second one, right? Because the first one came in, I believe, April or March. I think March. The first one came in March. This one is the June Boxy Luxe, which basically is, for the Boxy Luxe, you pay $50 instead of the $25 that you would pay for the regular Boxy Charm, which means you get more items for the $50. So instead of like 5 items, you get 9 items. That's right, I said 9 items. So I'm just gonna run through the box really quickly and make this video super short and hopefully enjoyable for you all to watch me. First of all, second of all, get into this hair, y'all, okay? I did a shoot for my site, my hair site. I am not soliciting people to buy anything from me, but look how it just moves. Like, who? She want what? Oh, I ain't got it. You feel me? But anywho, of course, the items in the box, I have used them, and if I have not used them, I will definitely let you know. I'm gonna go through each item, let you know the price. Mind you, the value of this box is $50, all right? So I'm not gonna edit the total. I'm gonna put the total down below of the actual cost of every item. So the first item on the list is the Tartiest PRO Glow Cheek Palette. It is valued at $45, ladies and gentlemen. And I have a little bit on my eyes. So here is the Tartiest Glow Palette. Very beautiful, very heavy. Honestly, I will say that this is the best palette that I've received from BoxyCharm, considering I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow. Sorry, I don't. I'm not a big fan. So this one comes with 2 dual mirrors. Bam, you see that? And it's very, very pretty. So the ones that I have used, the names are probably on the back. Let's see, I used A-Lister and Backstage, and that are these 2 very, very new colors here because I'm a new person. Like, I'm not a big fan of doing the whole eyeshadow thing. It just takes too long and it's just too much, and then if I want to go through the night, it just becomes too much, so I don't like that. So this is $45. It's very heavy. I can see myself actually using this more than any other palette that I've received from BoxyCharm, just because the colors are nude and it's very heavy. This is a really nice palette. Like, this is super cute. Like, this is really cute. The next item is the Touch on Soul Primer, and I honestly wanted to save this one for last, but let me tell you about this primer, okay? First of all, I put it on my skin and it's very liquidy, right? Look at that. Look how liquidy that is. Like, you see that? How it comes out? That's very liquidy. I've never had a primer like that, and I have oily skin, mind you. So I put this on, like, alright, this gonna be some crap. It ain't gonna be really that good, right? So I put it on, and my skin felt sticky a little bit, right? And I have oily skin, so my skin felt really sticky and dewy, like it was ready to absorb everything. So I put on everything. Like, I literally put on to line my eyebrows with my concealer. Very pasty, very sticky. Honestly, I feel like this primer right here, can you get that? I feel like this primer is gonna be great for the summertime because, you know, when you're sweating and you want things to stick, I think this is So this one is valued at $23, which is honestly, I would probably pay that much for this just because in the summertime, like, you need the best thing popping. All right. The next thing is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, which is what you see on these beautiful lips. You see this? Very shiny, very glossy. It's not super pink, but it's pink. And it's nice. I like it. It's like it's not like a thick matte gloss. It's like a really good consistency. Not too thin, not too thick. I actually like it. And I decided to actually put on this lip gloss because I realized when BoxyCharm sends me items, sends me lip glosses, I never put it on. So here it's really cute. Here is the Dominique. I hope I'm saying that correctly. The DC, I'm gonna say DC. Dominique Cosmetics Lip Gloss. This is in lemonade. Really cute, super poppin', right? I like that. That's really cute. That's valued at $17. Alright, the next thing we have, which everyone was excited about for this entire BoxyCharm, because they were like, oh my gosh, they're giving away. Yes, they're giving away a blow dryer. So that's what's the next thing on the list. This is valued at $85. Now look how big this is. Look how big that is. It's like big, but it's not like the biggest thing. Like how they pictured it, I thought it was gonna be way bigger, but it gets hot. Like I put my wig on. This wig, I put this wig on. Mind you, this is just a closure, 7x7 closure. All right, got a little Kim K going. You feel me? Yeah, feel me. So I put this closure on from here to here with this, and it actually worked. I didn't have to use extra time or anything. It gets really hot. It has these two things. On it where you can switch between, and of course I put it on the higher voltage. It's 230 and then 120. So I put on a 230 voltage, and you just take like a screwdriver or some scissors or something, you turn it or whatever, and I actually plugged it up so you guys can hear it. So here it is. I think this is low. I can put my wig on with the low because it's getting high, and then this is the high. And honestly, I like this because, you know, when you wake up in the morning, you're really not trying to hear the whole, you know, the loud noise of a blow dryer. So honestly, this is now like, this is basically what I'll use, because when you travel, there's always a blow dryer in the room, in the hotel room, always. I've never been to a room where there's not a blow dryer. So I actually don't think I'll take this out of town. I actually think that I would just use it at home just because it's quiet. And it comes with two heads. One of them is like the direct head, like look like two little lips. That one. And then it comes with like a little diffuser. So honestly, I think I'll use this on my natural hair as well. When I ever use heat, because I rarely use heat on my hair anyway. So this is like really cute. This is valued at $85. I really like that. The next item is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser. Okay, that is this. I use this, of course. I'm a big fan, big fan of facial products. And I had a feeling they were going to do facial products simply because they sent out a survey to do facial products. So I was like, that's going to be lit. Like, I need that for the summer. I need this skin to be popping, and I just hope they don't give us any foolishness. So this is valued at $35. All right, and okay, so this is what we got in I think this is the May BoxyCharm. This is a facial cleanser. I'm not a big fan of this, right? It was this one. This is like, has a thick consistency, like not even hand soap. I want to say like shampoo, like very thick. Like I don't like to put thick things on my hair, but that brings me to the point that this is way thinner. All right, it doesn't get as soapy because I think, and it doesn't have like a big smell to it, and I don't think it gets like super soapy just because it's a yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll, and that's pretty good for your skin, I've heard. So I've used this, and good. But usually with skincare with me, it takes me like a few days to really figure out what's good and what isn't. So, I mean, I'll keep you updated. Oh, okay. And at the end, I'm going to give you an update from my previous video on that Boxy charm where I had the pink wig on, because I said I would. Anywho, that is valued at $35. Now we have Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Resurfacing Night Serum. I have not had the chance to use this at all. And honestly, it looks serious. It looks intense. And I love a bomb night serum. I really do. And I love this cute bottle. I didn't even open it or smell it or anything. This is a really, really cute bottle. I love that. But I'll give you the update on that in my next video. So, yeah, I haven't used this yet, but this is valued at $58. Okay? They doing big things. $58. Next, we have the Living Proof Full Volume Blast right here. And I haven't used this yet. Honestly, I don't use volume spray. But I have a curly wig that I'm going to do a tutorial on. And I think I might use this on it. And also, even though it gets full, I think I'm going to use this on it. And also, I have a wave former curling iron that I'm going to curl this wig with and do a tutorial as well. So I might use that with this. So, I mean, I don't know yet. I can't really give you a, you know, a little review on this. I can't do that because I used it. Alright, and this is valued at $29, okay? And that's why I didn't want to wear this dress, because like it literally keeps coming up. Like it's literally a wrap, but I wear it as a dress. The next thing on the list is the treStiQue Good Vibes Mascara. Let me tell you about this. This compared to Better Than Sex, because y'all know Better Than Sex is like my favorite. This is pretty good. I don't know what it's going to do. Like it lifted my upper lash, but simply because it comes with this handy dandy flip eyelash. Look at that. It comes with like an eyelash curler. Isn't that bomb? I nipped like a piece of my eyelid, but it's cool because I'm learning, right? So it comes with this thingy, and then you put this on. You don't have to put it on, you can have it off or on, but it twists apart and you have your mascara. Bam! And that's pretty dope, I think. I think that's pretty dope. Like, I don't know why no one came up with this before, but this is valued at $25. I did use this on my upper and lower lash. I did. Came out popping, okay? Popping. So this is valued at, again, $25. And then last but not least, with this Boxy charm came Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dewness. Now, I was excited to receive this. Here it is. This is valued at $35, right? I was excited to receive this, but when I put it on when my face was wet, it does not say I can't use it when my face is damp. It says can be used to set makeup and refresh and hydrate skin. So I got out the shower. After I washed my face, I sprayed it on me. It stunk. Now I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, because there is like ginger, orange, lemon, citric acid, just a lot of citrusy things in here, and maybe that's what it is. But it tingled my skin a little bit, and I was a little nervous because I do try all of these products from Boxy Charm when I get it, just to see. And also I will be doing a giveaway, because I'm realizing like some of this stuff I don't use. So once I get a little bit more subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, I promise. So this tingled a little bit, but I did use it to set my face today, and it's doing a pretty good job. It's doing a good job. I think it's doing a good job. So I use this to set my face. I used it when I put on my foundation, and then I spread it all out. So, I mean, so far this is good. I will really see once I get into the sun. And this is valued at $35. So I feel like all of this stuff came up to at least like $3, $4 something, because this is a lot of stuff that they sent us, and honestly, it's really worth the money. I'm not trying to get you guys to purchase BoxyCharm. I just simply want to give you an update or review on the product, so when you go to Sephora or wherever else, you'll know like, oh, this is good or this isn't good, or you know, this looks good on, you know, my complexion, blah 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 blah, right? So that's all I'm doing here. So in my last video, I did say I was going to try this Pure Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. When I tell y'all this stuff sticks, I put it on, I think I was going somewhere, I don't even remember. I put this stuff on, it sticks so well. That's why they sent us a packet, and that's why literally I used this probably like last week, and I used a little bit of it today. It's a little bit left. I'm gonna use the rest of it when I go out on Saturday. This stuff is bomb. So if you need a primer, get this one. It's so bomb. Alright, so I think that is it for the BoxyCharm. This hair, of course, came from my site, which is probably one of my favorite wigs now, like the best. And honestly, the reason why I really love it is because I can do an up bun. And I'm just so excited about that. Like, I'm going to post this hair on my site. I'm going to post the up bun on there. So any questions, any comments, any negative comments, positive comments, leave them below. Any review that you would like to see, let me know. I'm here to help. I'm here to provide. Any questions, contact me, email me. I respond immediately because it's only 100 of y'all so far, and I respond to each and every last one of you. So thank you for watching once again. See you soon. Thank you.